Hi friends, welcome back to Art Time with Sugar. I'm so happy you're here today. Today we are going to read one of my favorite holiday stories, Click, Clack, Ho, Ho, Ho. It's about Farmer Brown and all of his crazy animals that he has on his farm and possibly someone who is trying to get down the chimney. But we'll talk about that in a little while. And then after that, we are going to do a Play-Doh project. So are you ready? Let's get started.
We are reading Click, Clack, Ho, Ho, Ho. Snow is falling, lights twinkle. A few creatures are stirring. It is Christmas Eve. There is a jingle in the air. Farmer Brown stops to listen. Santa is on his way. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. There is a swooshing up above. Farmer Brown runs to the window. Santa is getting close. Oh no, what are these mice doing? Oh no. What is Duck doing? There is a pitter-patter on the roof. Farmer Brown hurries off to bed. Santa is almost here. Look, he's got the cookies. Oh, Duck. Oh, no. Oh, but look who's in the background. Ho, ho. Uh-oh. Duck is stuck. Oh, dear. The sheep go up to unstuck Duck. Ho, ho. Uh-oh. The sheep are stuck. Oh, no. The cows go up to unstuck Duck. Ho, ho. Uh-oh. The cows are stuck. Look at the cow's face. That is an uh-oh face. The pigs go up to unstuck Duck. Ho, ho. Uh-oh. The pigs are stuck. Look who's getting closer. They all go up to unstuck Duck. Look, what else do we have? Chickens, mice, goats, cat, dog. Oh dear, you know what's gonna happen. Ho, ho, uh-oh. Everyone is stuck. It's Santa's turn to unstuck Duck. Look at Santa's face. What's happening? Ho, ho. Oh, no. What do you think happened? Don't be silly. Santa would never get stuck. Oh, no. Oh, dear. What happened? Oh, my goodness. Now, all around the tree, in the light's warm glow, all the creatures are stirring. Ho, ho, ho. Oh, that says for Farmer Brown, and it's cookies and cocoa. Look at Farmer Brown's face. There goes Santa. Yay!
That was so funny. Farmer Brown's animals always make me laugh, and Duck is always up to something, isn't he? So now we are going to do our own Play-Doh project inspired by the book Click, Clack, Ho, Ho, Ho. So run, go get your Play-Doh and we'll get started.
As you can see, I have several different colors of Play-Doh. You pick the colors that you want to use. This is going to be your project. And I also have something down on top of my table to protect it. So today we are going to make a Play-Doh Christmas tree to decorate. I am going to use, I'm going to move some of these out of the way. I have got green Play-Doh for my Christmas tree, but you make your Christmas tree whatever color you want to make. You would like a pink one, purple one, whatever you want to do. We are going to make a ball. I got a pretty good amount out of here. We're going to make a ball. That's usually the first thing that we do when we're making something. Just going to make a ball. Okay, once you have your ball, we're just going to flatten it. We're going to use the heel of our hand, that's this part, and we're going to flatten it. Okay, so it looks kind of like a pancake or a squished circle. It's about that thick. We need to make it more of a triangle shape, right? It needs to be more of a triangle shape so it looks like a tree. So we're just going to start pinching it, shaping it so that it looks more like a triangle. You can keep flattening. You can make it big, you can make it small, you can make lots of trees if you like. It's all up to you. Okay, that's starting to look better. How's yours looking? Okay, I think that's a pretty good triangle shape. If yours is bigger, if you want it to be bigger than how it came out, you want to use the whole can, go ahead. It's your Christmas tree. Now, I don't have any brown Play-Doh, so I'm just going to use a little black for the trunk. You don't have to make a trunk. You can if you want to, and it can be whatever color you want it to be. Okay, see, I just got a little bit. And we need to make a kind of a rectangle shape out of this. There we go. We're just going to keep tapping the ends and the sides till we get it where we want it. There we go. Now we've got a trunk for our tree. Now we need to decorate it. We need to decorate our tree. So I've got some, I think this is red or pink. Let's see what color it is when we open it. Whoop. Okay, it's reddish. I've got some purple. Now we're gonna make some ornaments for our tree. You can make these ornaments as simple or as fancy as you want to make them. I think I'm gonna make just little balls and put those all around my tree. So I'm gonna make lots of little purple balls and lots of little red balls, okay? So I'll do that and then we'll come back. Okay, so I have made tiny balls of red and purple Play-Doh to make ornaments, but you can use any colors you like. And I've stuck them all over my tree. I think now I have a little bit of gold Play-Doh. I have no idea why or how I got gold Play-Doh. Just fancy, right? And I may have bought it at the dollar store. I am going to make a star for the top of my tree. So I'm gonna grab just a little, I don't need much, just a little. Let's get that out of the way. And if you don't feel comfortable making a star shape, that's okay. Let's just make a circle. You can make a circle and just squish it. And that can be the top of your tree. Look how fancy, right? So cute. If you do want to make a star shape, you are basically going to make several triangles. So you can start pinching, 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 and pinching till you get something that's, here, let's try this. Might have to pick it up. Something that is more star shaped. There we go. squish it down just a little bit. That's a little more star-shaped, isn't it? There we go. You know what's great about Play-Doh? Is that you can be working on something. You can squish this all back up and make something completely different. Isn't that so much fun? You can change it, roll it, squish it. There's no wrong way to make your tree. You can make it as silly or as sparkly as you like. If you like, you can take this and you can make little chains going across your Christmas tree. Wouldn't that be cute too? So this is your tree. You decorate it the way you like. If you don't like how it's turning out, squish it up and make another one. That's so much fun. Look at these beautiful Christmas trees that we're making. Oh, you know what? You can even make a little duck from our story and hide him under your tree. Wouldn't that be fun? This is so much fun.
We had so much fun reading Click, Clack, Ho, 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 that silly duck, and making our Play-Doh Christmas trees. So if you had fun today, be sure to like, subscribe, and ring the bell so that you will never miss another Art Time with Sugar. So until I see you next time, read, create, and be kind. Happy holidays, everybody. See you soon.